The Air Jordan 1 Royal is set to make a highly anticipated return during the 2026 holiday season, bringing back one of the most iconic colorways in sneaker history. While it has not yet been confirmed if this release will follow the Air Jordan 185 specification, expectations point toward a classic retro shape that stays true to the original look. The shoe features a striking contrast of royal blue and black leather, with blue panels on the toe box, heel, and ankle delivering a rich yet refined tone. Smooth black leather on the side panels and overlays adds depth and balance, while the blue swoosh stands out with clean definition. A wide midsole helps ground the design, paired with a royal blue outsole for a bold finish. First released in 1985, this colorway changed basketball and street culture forever. With its 2026 return, the Air Jordan 1 Royal continues its legacy as a timeless symbol of style, history, and sneaker culture.